Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove BVN from Palmpay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now first, let's head over to our Palmpay. So now once on your Palmpay, you will notice that removing your BVN on Palmpay is quite impossible because BVN and NEN are core informations for your financial institution apps. But I'll be showing you a way which you can do that. But aside this method, you can't just remove your BVN from the profile section. Edit it or remove it is not possible. So now head over to the Me section. Then on the Me section, now you see this settings icon with a red dot at the top. Just tap on it. After tapping on it now, you will see various options. The next thing which I want you to do is to tap on Close Palmpay account. Just tap on it. After tapping on Close Palmpay account, now you'll be brought with this message over here. So now you just need to read through this to make sure you are correct about this. After reading all of this and you're fine with this, just quickly tap on this checkmark button and tap on Continue, then proceed to complete this action. So that's basically how you can remove BVN from Palmpay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.